Holy f***. This thing hasn't run since last year, and when we got our first snowfall, it didn't want to start. So today I'm going to be trying to troubleshoot what's wrong with it. These engines are pretty simple, and usually it's an issue with either spark or fuel. So we're going to go dig into it and see what I can find. So now it's got a new spark plug. Let's see if it wants to start. All right, so I guess next we need to look at fuel. So now I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner into the cylinder and see if it'll fire up. This will tell us if our issue is fuel related. So it started with brake clean, but it's not able to continue running, which likely means it's an issue with the carburetor. I have a brand new replacement here to put in because these things are super cheap Chinese models that are not easily serviceable. So I'm just gonna try to put a little bit more brake clean in here and maybe, who knows, it'll clear up the carburetor and start running. But if not, I've got a new one. All right, so we gotta replace the carburetor. So now, just in case, I'm gonna drain out the carburetor just to see if maybe there's a buildup of bad gas inside of it. So it looks like we ended up just getting super lucky. It was just a buildup of bad gas inside the carburetor, and once I cleared it out, it fired right up. Now let's see if it'll start again. Starts like a dream! Holy fuck. Did you see that backfire? All right, so this thing is all back together and it's running really well, so now we can actually clear the driveway. If you like watching this kind of content, don't forget to drop a follow and like this video, and I appreciate you watching all the way to the end. See you in the next one.